How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Tyler Teaches. I'm not really teaching today. We're just going over the finale, the roundup of all the treble jigs in one video, full to music. We'll try and do it in the slow speed and the fast speed. Hopefully it's possible. So you can practice all this together with me. I think that'd be very valuable. FEIS app, subscribe, like. Yep, you know the drill. Let's just jump into the video. Let's jump into the dancing. So we have our first step, our 4 trebles into the treble, cut treble, hop back. Then repeat. Do 1, hop back 2, 3, 4, and then the same thing again on the left foot. Our second step, we're cutting that in half. We're doing only 2 into the treble, cut treble, hop back. Into our hop back 2, 3, 4, into our new and heel step, treble, cut treble, hop back 2, 3, 4. And we repeat that all on the left foot. Then going into our last step, we're going into our 2 trebles, but we're keeping it in front. Hop and step in, tip, hop down, hop back 2, 3, 4, treble, and tip, hop down, hop back 2, 3, 4, treble, cut treble, hop back, and we repeat that all on the left foot. Make our way back to the center. Now, you don't have to move on the tip hop downs like that. Out of breath. You don't have to move on those tip hop downs, but if you want to, you can incorporate that floor pattern to the dance. This is all meant to be done in spot. Whoop-a-doop. Let's try this all together in the slow dance, or slow treble jig, which is the 73. So if I'm on the FEIS app, I'm going to heavy jigs. Heavy jigs is another word for treble jigs. Heavy jigs, advanced, in parentheses, slow. All right. I'm going to turn on my speaker so that it actually makes noise. This would be the place to start. If you want to put all 3 together, I would start with the slow tempo and work your way to the fast tempo. Ooh, let's go all the way to the beginning. 1 and 2, 2, 3, 3. This music's nice. 4, 2, 3, 5, and 6, and 7, 2, 3, and here we go. Whoops, left foot. Second step. Last step. That was not perfect by me, but what I can tell you all is never be discouraged by that. You're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna drop your heels, you're gonna miss a rhythm here or there. Keep going, just like we were saying, like Dory, just keep swimming, just keep dancing, keep those legs moving. It's never gonna be perfect, and it's almost a releasing feeling to know that it'll never be perfect. So mistakes will happen, but that's why we practice, to get stronger each time. Cool, so that's the slow version. Let's try the fast version. That was a really nice tune. Little plug to FEIS app for doing some cool music. All right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and here we go. Second step. Last step. All right, good stuff, everybody. You can always rewind and retry those videos if you need to practice it more and more. You can use the playback function to make them slower or faster, whatever you'd like to do with them. Yeah, that's a fun group of steps, and I hope you enjoyed that too. I hope you enjoyed just learning these steps. It's so much fun to teach them. And clearly to dance them as well. And I hope you enjoyed that as well. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, become a patron of the channel, help support me further. That'd be so appreciated. If you are enjoying Irish dancing, what I always encourage is to take the dancing you're learning in your living room or wherever you are learning this from and take it to your closest Irish dance studio. So hit the Google and look for Irish dancing in your area. Nothing is more fun than to dance with others, and I highly encourage that. Yeah. Whew. I'm not sweaty, you're sweaty. That's all I have for today. Happy dancing, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.